Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone using ChatGPT to communicate effectively: building trust with ChatGPT enhanced responses. Whether you're a business professional, a customer service representative, or just someone looking to improve your online interactions, this video is for you. Let's get started. Personalization is key to building trust. Instead of generic replies, use ChatGPT to craft responses that reflect individual user needs and preferences. By adding personal touches, you make each interaction unique and meaningful. Here's the prompt that I put together for this segment. Let's say, ChatGPT, how can I respond to a customer asking about the status of their order? Let's see. And here's how ChatGPT generate based on what I just asked. Notice how including the customer's name, for instance, or this is a template by the way, there, right there, customer's name, any name depending on who you're asking with, and also there will be specific details, order details that you can tweak out with this template right here. It makes the interaction feel more personal and trustworthy, as you could say with this one. But let's see how ChatGPT can help us personalize responses effectively with the next prompt that I put together. So here's my next prompt that I put together. Let's say, ChatGPT, how can I personalize a response for a returning customer? Forgot about this one. Let's see. As you can see, this was tweaked out based on the second prompt that I just written. So yeah, take notes. Personalization not only makes your customers feel valued, but also strengthens their connection with your brand. By tailoring your responses to individual preferences and histories, you show that you care about their unique needs. ChatGPT is quite a helpful tool that you could achieve this level of personalization effortlessly. Pretty cool. Empathy shows you care about the user's feelings and concerns. It's about recognizing and validating their emotions, which helps in building a deeper connection. ChatGPT, right here, our old buddy, can assist you in crafting responses that not only acknowledge emotions, but also demonstrate active listening. Here's my next prompt that I'll be using for this segment. So let's say, ChatGPT, how can I respond to a customer who is upset about a delayed order? We'll see how ChatGPT could provide us with a response just to help out the mock customer, for instance. Let's see. So here we are. This is how ChatGPT processes with the results based on what I asked. It's very detailed. It gives off the tone to be more sympathetic. That looks good. So, by acknowledging their frustration and offering a sincere apology, here we go. This is the apology part right here. We are genuinely sorry. Here we go. So, you show empathy and build trust. But let's explore how ChatGPT can help us further in demonstrating empathy and active listening. I'll give another prompt example to ChatGPT. So here, ChatGPT, how can I respond to a customer who is worried about a product issue? So let's see once again. Here we go. Here's another one, more detailed, as always, more instructions, and yeah. As you can see, empathy involves understanding and validating the user's feelings, while active listening means fully engaging with their concerns. Using ChatGPT to help responses that reflect these principles can transform your interactions, making them more meaningful and trustworthy. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Accuracy and transparency are crucial in building trust. Users need to feel confident that the information you're providing is correct and that you're being honest about what you can and cannot do. So let's see how ChatGPT once again can help us ensure accuracy and transparency in our responses. So here's another prompt. So let's say, ChatGPT, how can I respond if I don't have an immediate answer to a customer's question? That sounds troubling, but let's see how ChatGPT would help us with this. As you can see, here's how ChatGPT had recommended with a list of answers right here. Gather information, thanks and reassure. There are alternatives, and yeah. So remember, by being honest about your limitations and committing to find the answer, you show transparency and build trust. So here, all the quotes here, or the dialogues, I mean, or answers to the customer support that can be very helpful if needed, depending on whether you would agree to all of this that ChatGPT had recommended. So yeah. So let's explore with another example. So we'll see with this one. Let's try to be more specific with ChatGPT. How can I respond to a customer inquiry about a product feature I'm unsure of? So let's see. So here we go. With this being more specified, ChatGPT would understand and offer you some answers right there, just as it's stated right here. There's an email message template along the way. Yeah, very detailed and very helpful for you in your customer support services. So, accuracy and transparency go in hand in hand. So, by providing clear, honest, and precise information and openly communicating when you're unsure, you demonstrate reliability and integrity. ChatGPT can help you maintain these principles effortlessly, fostering a trustworthy relationship with your audience. Pretty cool. Consistency in your messaging ensures users know what to expect from your interactions. It helps build a reliable and trustworthy image. ChatGPT, right here, can assist you in maintaining a consistent tone and style that aligns with your brand. So let's ask ChatGPT for help with ChatGPT, how can I maintain a consistent tone in my responses? So let's see. You go. This is what ChatGPT gave me advices for. Use templates, define your tone, pay attention. There are subtopics right here so that it will be more structured and detailed. Yeah, these are quite helpful, I must say. Oh, there's also example responses right here. So as you can see, consistency isn't just about tone, but also about the structure and quality of your responses. By using ChatGPT right here to standardize your communication patterns, you can ensure every interaction aligns with your brand's voice and values. Pretty cool. Positive language can significantly impact how your messages are perceived. It can make interactions more pleasant and encouraging, thereby fostering trust. Now, ChatGPT can help you frame your responses in a positive light. So here's an example prompt right here. Let's say, ChatGPT, how can I turn a negative response into a positive one? So let's see how ChatGPT would help us through the generated results that ChatGPT been processing. Let's see. So here we go. Here, ChatGPT has given us advices right here. There are bullet points, there are sub bullet points right here. Highlight the positive, reassure and follow up. There's an example scenario right here. So, see, notice how the positive phrasing not only conveys the same message, but does so in a way that is more encouraging and supportive. Yeah, see, it's given much more details like example phrases, general tips right here, and yeah, really quite helpful, I must say. Now, let's see another example right here. So here's what I put together. See, ChatGPT, how can I respond positively to a customer who is unhappy with the product? So, as you can see, is given a scenario specifically through the prompt that I'll be asking to ChatGPT. So let's see how ChatGPT would respond to this. As you can see, same thing as always, but this time with the scenario like this, it's given us specific advices and tips, like highlight the positives. Once again, there is an example response right here, the email message template. Yeah, quite helpful, I must say. So using positive language helps create a more uplifting and constructive interaction. It shows that you're not only addressing the issue, but also looking to provide a solution in a positive manner. ChatGPT can assist in transforming your responses to maintain a positive tone, which is essential in building and sustaining trust with your audience. And there you have it. By leveraging these strategies with ChatGPT, you can enhance your responses and build stronger, more trusting relationships with your audience or customers. Have a nice day, everyone.